Okay, this is a quick video on editing the table plan. The layout, obviously, each pub, each restaurant will have a different layout. So it's easily done when you're logged in as an administrator. So we have just two users here on this particular system. So either user is an admin. So you can see this edit button here. So once you click the edit button, we can actually start moving tables. We can add in tables. So I select that table. So if I select, say, table 12, okay, and I want to move table 12 over here, I click on table 12. When I click on table 12, I can get the move button. So now I can move this table anywhere I want. Okay, again, I have different options up along here. I can call that table whatever name I want to. It'll change the name. This will tell you how many seats is available actually on that particular table. As you can see, there's 4 seats on this table at the minute. This will change the shape, so that'll give us a round table, square table. We can have different color table, so we can have a yellow table if you want. And then you can actually delete a table. So that's basically, it's straightforward. So if you wanted to create a new table, click on the add button. That's going to create a table for you. You'd click on the name. We're going to call it T99. Click OK on it. You can change the shape of it. And we can move it around anywhere we want. If you click on the hand, see where the hand is? So if you click on the white part, you can drag and resize the table any way you want. So that's click on the table and click on you see the hand. When you see the hand, you can move the table around. And that's basically all you have to do to edit the floor. Again, your floor settings will be in your back end under here, under configurations. So you can have different floors for different. So if you had, say, pub downstairs, restaurant upstairs, you could have different floors for different levels. So if I go to middle bar and I click on edit, you can see there's a floor. There'll be a floor assigned to this particular table. If we click on floors, there's our lounge floor. There's all our different tables that we've added in. So we can create a new floor there as well if you want to. Most places the one floor is probably enough. So again, quick. Once you're logged in as an administrator, you'll see this this edit button here, and you can move tables around. Very easy. Just play around with it.